Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's see if we can find the derivative of y with respect to x in terms of the parametric variable t. So starting out with two parametric equations, x equals a function of t and y equals of another function of t, we're trying to find dy dx in terms of t, in terms of the parametric equations. So we know that there's going to be another function, y as a function of x. And so we know then that dy dx must somehow be able to be expressed in terms of t. So dy dx in terms of t. How do we do that? Well, very carefully. First of all, we realize that y is g of t. So we write that down. And since g of t is equal to y, it must also be equal to another function of x. So that's correct so far. And since x is defined as a function of t, we can replace x by that function of t. Now we're going to take the derivative with respect to t. So we write dy dt is equal to g prime of t. Now g prime of t would be the derivative of this with respect to t. In other words, g prime of t is equal to dy dt. And that is equal to the derivative of this function with respect to t as well. And since that function is f of x, we can then say that the ddt of f of x is equal to g prime of t, which is equal to dy dt. And since we're taking the derivative of a function that is a function with respect to x, we have to use the chain rule. In other words, the ddt of this is equal to the derivative of this times the derivative of what's inside, which is the derivative of f of t. Now we can go ahead and solve this for f prime of f of t, which is right here, which is equal to g prime of t divided by f prime of t. Now, since g prime of t is equal to dy dt, f prime of t is equal to dx dt. In other words, the f prime of f of t, and by the way, since f of t is equal to x, we can replace f of t by x, so f prime of x is equal to g prime of t divided by f prime of t. And g prime of t is dy dt, f prime of t is dx dt, so f prime of x is equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. But then we realize that f prime of x is equal to dy dx. And so therefore, f prime of x can then be replaced by dy dx, which is now expressed in terms of dy dt divided by dx dt. So if you have two parametric equations, x as a function of t and y as a function of t, then you could take the derivative of this one with respect to t, you take the derivative of this one with respect to t, and divide the one derivative by the other derivative, and that will be equal to dy dx, the derivative of y equals a function of x. And that's how we proved that dy dx is equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. And that's a handy equation to have.